Good day everyone, my name is Tejas and I am creating this video regarding finding buyers in Benin market for confectionery items. Firstly, let's understand what is confectionery items. Items that include sweets, jellies, jams, candies. So in this video, I will be showing how I cracked buyers. This is my procedure of finding buyers. So firstly, I scraped my data using GMB scraper. This is a Chrome extension available on Chrome Web Store, and hence to use this you need a login ID. For that login ID, what I've done is I have gotten a temporary email. So the reason why I am using a temporary mail is because every mail has certain limitations of using the credits. One email ID can only generate up to 200, but what happens when you use different email IDs, you have the chances of getting more clients. Okay, and I'm also using ChatGPT on how I can convert clients or start talking to new people. So right now what I'll do here is I'll quickly go to my Chrome extensions and I will enable the GMB data scraper. I'll hit on login and I will sign in with email. So this is my email which I copied from temporary mail. For my first time I'll put trial1 and the password is I'll keep it as it is because we are only going to use this for one time, and I'll hit on save. Now it says that my account has been created and it says login success, please reopen the extension. I'll click on OK and I will reopen my extension. So you can see over here that says logout trial 1, and this is a free plan, so it has a quota of 200 units only. Let's go ahead with confectionery traders in Benin and I'll click on search. You have to always make sure that you get to see the map. Just in case if you don't see the map, just hit on the search icon and hit enter, and now as you can see I can see the map of Benin over here. And what I'll do is I'll click on start auto extract. So this process will take up to 2 minutes or sometimes 5 to 7. The results have already started showing. What is the next procedure? So the data what you get over here is in this format. So this is the same what I had created earlier, that was confectionery wholesalers in Benin market. So you get a data like this which says name, phone number, email, website address, and category, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and their profile URLs. To make it easy to read, what I've done is I have created separate tabs for separate applications. Okay, this is a WhatsApp hyperlink that goes by is equal to hyperlink bracket double inverted comma https colon 2/wa.me/ again 2 inverted comma and B2 cell, that is this one, B2 cell, and A2 cell, that is the A2 which is the fancy baking store, and B2, this is the number. And when I hit enter like this, it converts into hyperlink. So if I click over here, it says that it wants to open WhatsApp. So I'll click on WhatsApp, and as you can check the number over here, that is +234. So in this module, what I've done is I train my ChatGPT to, that is, act as my social media sales expert and help me close clients and get on meetings. Next, by using applications like Margo Mail, you can easily post 500 mails per day. So same thing like the WhatsApp, if you click on any link, directly that application pops up. Next is website forms, and this is the website. Many websites have this form, the contact us form, that is survey form. What you have to do is, like what I generally do is I fill up this form so that this, whatever my message is, whatever I'm trying to convince to the buyer, it directly goes on to the person's personal WhatsApp number or any number that has been registered through this website. Next is Instagram. Same thing, click on the hyperlink, Instagram pops up, Facebook and Twitter. For me to understand these, whatever is in red color, that means this number is not on WhatsApp, and you can start reaching out. Okay, apart from all this, you have to make sure that your social media presence is always there and you use as many AI tools as possible. Text to photo generation, I use Ideogram AI, and also to generate any prompt, you train one AI to generate another AI features, to unlock another AI feature. For example, so this is Ideogram AI, this is a website, so you can create anything on this tool. Okay, act as my Ideogram prompt specialist. So what I've done is I've trained my ChatGPT for ideogram AI. Since we are dealing into confectionery items, what I'll do here is make it look as real as possible. So in this case, sometimes it says Indian sweets. I don't want Indian sweets. So what I'll do is I'll say remove Indian sweets and add all of the remaining in one prompt. So what I'll do is I'll quickly copy this. I'll go to ideogram. I'll hit copy. I'll check if there are any spelling errors. Let's go 5:4 and I'll hit generate. Okay, something like this. So this has created, a hyper realistic photos of jellies, jam, and it looks identical exactly. So just in case, if you don't have any photos, you can recreate it something like this and you can hit download. Okay. In the meanwhile, this is still loading. Yeah, as I said, sometimes it takes a lot of time. So by the time this still loads, what I'll do is I will explore another AI tool, that is Kling AI. Let's go. Apart from Kling, okay, there's one more. It is Runway. Okay. So okay, again I'll go to ChatGPT. That look realistic. Okay, I'll just drag this photo, okay, and I'll mention for this cat playing around. So it has given me a prompt. Okay, let's just copy this thing and hit paste, and I'll just click on send. Runway ML is actually faster than Kling. Kling is also an alternative app, and this is just a free tool, so it doesn't generate more. Let's hit on play icon. Yeah, something like this. Okay, you see, yeah, where it is just 38, but it goes up to 200. I'll just do it whatever. So currently I'm just exporting whatever I have. So I have roughly about 38. So I'll hit on download XLS form, and over here it shows result. So this is something, what you get: an entire data from name, number, email, website, average ratings, address, category, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, profile, and then this Google reviews. But keep only whatever is needed. Like in my case, I've removed the unwanted bits and I've only put the wanted list. So that is name, number, and email, website, and the rest of this. And to make even clearer, I've added more tabs to it. So yeah, that's pretty much from my side. I've created a video on how I find buyers.